Hello guys, this is Jack Bro here. Today's Nicholas Bro is going to show you a magic trick. Are you ready? Okay. Now it shows the thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna fold it like this.
Dun, 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 dun.
I'm gonna hold it like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I see I want to leave it like that. Okay.
Yeah.
I just want to leave it like that. This right?
Yeah.
Facing each other, right?
Ooh. Nice. Let's get a look at that. That's magic trick of Mr. Nicholas. So, Nicholas Bro and Jack Bro out.